We've talked enough legal jargon, folks, to know that the government has big words for various programs. They like to abbreviate things. We're going to talk about pretrial intervention today. We call it PTI. My wife thinks that always sounds like some sort of infection. It's not an infection. It's a beautiful thing. PTI leads to the dismissal of your case. And all of you out there are like, I don't want this dark cloud hanging over my head. John, how can I get this thing dismissed, whether it's a felony or misdemeanor? One of my answers might be pretrial intervention. Here's how it works, folks. I don't care whether it's a felony drug charge or even a felony theft, any non-violent felony and some misdemeanors, you can get dismissed through PTI. But here's the catch, folks. It is for drug treatment. You have to have a drug problem and then you have to go to drug treatment. I'm not talking residential treatment. I'm just talking drug treatment. And then at the end of that treatment, if you've been a good person, I know you will be, the judge will dismiss your charges. The other beautiful thing about this, the state does not have to agree with this. The judge can grant you PTI even though the state's jumping up and down. No, I don't want this person to have their case dismissed through PTI. The judge can still grant it. But I want to tell you, the state can actually throw a wrench in this under two circumstances. Okay, and this is found in subsection 6C of 948.08. 948.08 governs the dismissal of your felony charges, non-violent felony charges, if you complete a pretrial intervention program for substance abuse. Right? Here's how the state can screw you. If the state attorney believes that the circumstances of your case suggest that you are involved in dealing or selling drugs, the court is going to have to hold what they call a pre-admission hearing. And if the state establishes that you're involved in selling or dealing, then the judge can deny you PTI. Also, if you have 2 or more felonies in your past, sometimes the judge can deny you PTI. So you got to have somewhat of a clean record, but this is a great program because not only do you get possibly some drug treatment that you might want that could be helpful, but then you get your felony or your misdemeanor dismissed. Now, the misdemeanor dismissals on PTI are governed by Florida statute 948.16, but it's like the same darn thing as 948.08 that deals with the felonies. I want you to know, once again, this does not have to be a drug offense, okay? If you have a theft offense or other types of offenses that are non-violent, but you need substance abuse counseling, you can get dismissal through PTI. This is a beautiful thing. It is tough to do. It is not available in all counties. Not even all defense attorneys really utilize this or know much about it, but it is there. It needs to be used. Dismissal through PTI is a beautiful thing, folks. If you got a problem, then they can solve it and get rid of your felony or misdemeanor. So I thank you for watching. If something happened to you in Central Florida, I hope that you'll give our office a call because we've been defending criminal cases since 1993, and that's over 31 years. But if you're just watching to be educated, I want to thank you for watching. I'd like you to click whatever on the screen is going on that might help us out, like a subscribe or a like, and these things change all the time, but I'll probably just keep airing this video all the time too. So thank you for clicking some things that help us out. Have a great day.